Be award-winning, Helen.
Rachel and Simon, sadly, it's not going to be award-winning. We've got some more wet weather to come. It's been mild, at least, I suppose, for most of us. That's the consolation. But as you mentioned earlier, it has been a chilly night in the north. We had some patchy fog as well, stubborn to clear. Today, it's sunshine and showers. There are always winners and losers, though, with a showery scenario. In some areas, we'll see shower after shower. This is the rain that went through last night, which is sticking with us across the far north of Scotland, particularly the Northern Isles, where it'll be blowing gale for much of the day. This is showing where the latest rainfall is happening at the moment. So you can see eastern parts of Northern Ireland. They're highlighted as perhaps having some of the wettest weather in the next 24 hours. Also southwestern Scotland. These showers also running their way across the western side of the country. It's the east that's best. So let's take a little bit more detailed look. So this is the curl of cloud coming back into Orkney and Shetland. And with it, particularly in Shetland, severe gale force winds. So wet, windy, cold here. But after that disappointing morning, we've still got some freezing fog around the far northeast, but some brighter weather. Whilst for south and west Scotland, northeastern parts of Northern Ireland, lots of showers here, and a real rash of showers as well coming in across Wales, making their way across the Midlands and the southwest. They'll certainly make their way across coastal counties of southern England, but East Anglia, northeast England might fare a little better, drier and brighter for a time, not especially warm, less mild than yesterday. Overnight, the winds will keep us largely frost-free and fog-free in the south, but they will continue to push the showers in, whilst in the north, temperatures do just get low enough on the ground for some frost, so a little bit of ice around. Again, some pockets of fog because the wind's lighter in the north, away from Shetland, where it'll stay wet and windy through not just today but tonight and tomorrow for the most part as well. Sunshine and showers again, a little bit wintry on the hills in the north, but they do tend to congregate. We're a bit concerned for the south and the east that we could have shower after shower after shower here on saturated ground. Elsewhere, they do tend to ease down a little bit later in the day. Temperatures on a par with today, so perhaps a little bit more prolonged brightness and later in the day tomorrow. But unfortunately, it's not going to last because that low pressure area gives way to this area of low pressure then through Saturday. You can see that next low pressure dragging its wet weather with it northwards. Some fairly windy weather as well, but clearly at this stage, the rain is going to be the concern with the ground so saturated and river levels quite high. And that low pressure, well, it kind of stays with us through the weekend. The main rain band moving away, so perhaps the risk of the heaviest rain is Saturday, but there'll certainly be some pretty lively showers as we head into Sunday. See you later.